Hey everyone, welcome to Nature Healing Touch. Today we explore the transformative power of water, a sacred element that nourishes our emotions, body, and spirit. Water's soothing sounds calm our minds, reducing stress and anxiety. The gentle flow of a river or ocean waves promotes relaxation. Being near water boosts mood, energy, and creativity, fostering emotional balance. Water rejuvenates our skin, detoxify our bodies, and supports our immune system. Aquatic therapy improves cardiovascular health and flexibility. Water-based activities promote strength, endurance, and overall well-being. In ancient Hinduism, water symbolized spiritual purification. The Ganges river or Ganga is regarded as a sacred mother. Water's spiritual energy fosters mindfulness, self-reflection, and inner peace. Ancient Hindu texts emphasize water's importance. Jalam, water, is one of the five elements Panchabhutas. Abha, water, is considered a sacred gift from the gods. Hinduism promotes water conservation and responsible uses. Water's sound have healing properties. Rain, calming and relaxing. River, soothing and meditative. Sea, energizing and uplifting. Water is life. Embrace its transformative power. Spend time near water. Listen to its soothing sounds and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. Subscribe to Nature Healing Touch for more content of harnessing nature's healing power. Thank you for watching. May the sacred power of water nourish your soul. Namaste.